Welcome to my channel. This is a straight talk wireless home phone device that I have for sale on my eBay store. My eBay store name is Little Did You Know. I will leave link in the description. Just click on it and it will take you straight to my eBay listing. The item does come in a box, so it's open box but brand new, never used. Feel free to read some of the information on the box. On this device you can connect up to 2 lines, but as you can see, if you have one of the wireless device, you can connect way more than that. Here's the bottom cover of the device with some information. You can also mount it on the wall if you want to, with those two tabs right here. One on this side and one on that side. Here's the device with 2 antennas. The straight talk logo. Some LED identifier to let you know the status of the device. Here's a button on this side. I'm not really sure if it's a button, but anyway, here's where you plug in the power and the 2 wire line and the on and off switch. At the bottom there are some personal information I don't want to show. Let me cover that really quick. Here where you put in the battery. And here is where you put in the SIM card. That's all for the device. And here's the power supply. It's a 5-volt output, 2 amp. And the battery is a 2800 milliamp hour. This card shows you how to activate the device. Some more booklet information, service guide, quick start guide. So they give you a bunch of information if you're not sure how to set up this thing. So this is the device again. As you can see, everything is brand new, but the box is open. So if you're interested in buying this item, go in the description box and click on the link and it will take you straight to my eBay listing. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one.